In today's day and age, people say a lot of things in marketing. You know, there's a lot of things that they make claims that they can grow certain things X amount of, inches. Do they work? I don't know. But I make claims that these things ride good. These fucking trucks ride amazing.
To be honest, you get so many looks. The amount of people that love these trucks as I'm cruising here.
I don't know if it's the seat or the armrest, but I just keep naturally going into a gangster lean here.
I mean, the amount of heads they turn, and quite frankly, a lot of women like them. Maybe it's just me driving, I don't know, I could be wrong. I'd like to think it's me.
Fun part about the Legends truck, you come up to make a right-hand turn, there's a line of cars. You just drive right over the curb, a little bit off-road, and you make your right-hand turn without waiting.
Okay, at least I got a guy at a Corvette checking me out. Let's see what he's got here.
These become a completely different way of thinking about owning a classic car.
Just a plethora of crazy ideas that Jeremy came up with here, and I thought he was a little crazy in the beginning. And now that we have these trucks and Blazers done and we're driving them, boy was I wrong, because these things are awesome.
Honestly, I think it's by far the best package, the best product that we've put together in our 20 years of business. So.
Again, more old dudes. Come on. I guess that's what I attract.
Put your foot into it.
It's fast. Damn. I love these trucks.
Legend truck Blazer action, K5s. These things have been a long time coming. I was very anxious to get behind the wheel of one, having daily driven my square body Legend pickup truck for, I think like 5 years now. I was very curious how it would translate to the much shorter wheelbase and actually heavier overall platform. The fiberglass tops on these things are basically like putting a small semi-truck on the back of these. Significant weight gain. I can say it over and over again about how awesome these trucks drive, how great they are to use. This time around, you're gonna hear it from multiple other people because we've got 3 of them that are just finished, so you don't have to just listen to me. We're gonna hear from my brother Phil and our shop foreman John York that we're gonna park in 2 other Legend Blazers that have just crossed the finish line. That way you can listen to what they say and then you'll know if I'm lying or not.
All right, I'm John York, I'm the shop foreman in the hot rod build department, and today we are driving Corey White's 1976 K5 Blazer. You've seen our Legends truck series. We're now unveiling our Legends Blazers. We just built a handful of these. Been working on these things for a while. I feel like we've been talking about them forever, and now we finally get the pleasures of driving them. When they first were unveiled, I kind of thought they were out of their minds a little bit. You know, you got this whole rolling package, engine, trans, you got your 4-wheel drive ready to go again with the touch of a button, all the modern creature comforts of this system, wheels, tires, hitch, helper bags. I mean, all just insane amount of options that are available with these Legends packages. And then we're gonna piggyback that, of course, with custom CNC machine, emblems, trim, 3D print, just a plethora of crazy ideas that Jeremy came up with here. And I thought he was a little crazy in the beginning. And now that we have these trucks and Blazers done and we're driving them, boy was I wrong, because these things are awesome. I absolutely love driving these trucks. You know, there's a lot of people out there, you want a lot of horsepower, you want to really work while you're driving, and that's fantastic. Now, you want to drive 400 miles to Columbus and kick on some radio and relax and have a good time. This truck is amazing. The whole Legends package is just an absolute joy to drive. And that's all they are, to be honest, is a driver that you love getting in them.
That's really the intention for these Legends trucks. All you YouTube internet warriors are gonna come out there and start throwing shots about how we didn't put a 12-ton military front axle in it because it's so much better for off-roading. Not the point of this truck, right? These are meant to be daily driven, square body trucks, Blazers, with some good off-road performance, but really heavily focused on modern drivability, modern performance, reliability, usability, something that you can drive like it was your new Silverado, like your new F-150, your new Raptor. Something cool, something vintage, a lot of horsepower, some creature comforts, then still a lot of the old school kind of creature comforts that you're used to. So while it is not the ultimate off-road vehicle, that's not the intention of this truck.
These trucks, out of all the cars we do, I find that they're more and more difficult to give any sort of review because they're just so damn perfect. Like the ride quality and the drivability, it's like I'm in my brand new truck. And I think I've touched on that before. It's like getting a 2024 truck and giving in-car review about it. Like, I'm sure there's dudes out there that do that, but it's kind of like a waste of time, you know? It's just, guess what? It's perfect. It was made to be perfect, and that's what it is. So there's your simple review.
So my daily driver is a new Ford Bronco. I bought one of those because I wanted something that I could take the top off, something that I could drive the kids to baseball practice, something that I could daily drive that was a cool, different car, and honestly didn't have the time to build one of these for myself, which is what I absolutely really wanted. This truck checks all the boxes for me. Probably gonna have to get around to sneaking one of these into the production schedule next and get one in my garage. It's great when we're finishing a truck, putting test miles on, or Dave drops this one off for a day or two, so we can do the oil change and kind of give it a once over. Can get a little bit of out of my system, but after driving one of these and just how smooth and comfortable they are as a daily, I gotta add one to my fleet. There's no question about it.
The LT4's got a perfect amount of power for this package. You know, it's right there if you want to pick up, if you want to step on it and get it going, it'll move this truck. But it's just such a containable package. Driving in traffic, driving on the freeway, I mean, there's just nothing better. The chassis performs phenomenally. It rides better than my brand new truck. And this 8-speed transmission also gives you just such a modern feel. You know, there's no clunkiness, it's smooth. It's not even like you're driving an old vehicle except for how damn cool it looks.
Push button, on the fly, 4-wheel drive, independent front suspension, all factory GM components. So what this is essentially a brand spanking new GM truck wrapped in a 1979 K5 Blazer that makes for, in my opinion, probably the best daily driver that you could possibly get your hands on.
One of my favorite things to do is put that into 4-wheel drive and leave the stoplight and blow the doors off of any new Corvette, Mustang, Camaro, 650 horsepower, 4-wheel drive. The thing just hooks and goes. But you still have great street driving manners. Dave put 6,000 miles on this thing, just cruising it around, daily driving it. You don't necessarily use the power all the time, but when you want it, it's there. The whole concept was derived from 1500 Silverado modern truck suspension. Try to use as many OEM components as possible. Something that can easily put 50,000, 100,000 miles on it.
We've got our fabricated core support that houses all of the factory cooling components, all ready to go, installed when you buy this chassis, all the way down to the upper, lower radiator hoses, the air intake box, depending on the package. It's all there ready to go on the front of this thing. You couldn't have a more complete package for running and driving. The amount of time that saves for me as the head of the fabrication shop, and having these components pre-engineered, ready to go when this chassis is first brought to us, is immeasurable.
It's a great opportunity for any other shop out there to get way ahead of the game on all of those components and not have to spend a lot of the time trying to figure out what 4-wheel drive controller to use, what wheel and tire size to use, what gear ratio to use, what ECU and harness to use, what cooling system to use, what fuel pump to put in it, how to make all that stuff work, how to make it all talk together. We spent a ton of time up front designing that, proving it. We've built, I think this is the 8th or 9th truck that we have on the road now, after a year and a half of development in our own vehicle. So it's a very proven package. We made a lot of changes on the initial one and kept refining it, kept making it better. If you're in the market for building the square body K10 truck or Blazer, in my opinion, there is hands down no better option than the Legend series as the platform for your build. In the 2.5 months that he's had it, Dave has already put 5,981 miles on it as it just rolls over right now. So awesome to see him using the thing. 6,000 miles in 2 months. He may possibly have put more miles on this than my wife has on her SUV, shuttling kids back and forth to sports practices. So
if you could buy something ready to go with all of those things I just mentioned, the exhaust is ready to go, you can get it with the wheels and tires out the door. I mean, you really don't have to do anything other than drop your truck on and just decide how cool you want the rest of the interior to be. So going through the interior of this truck, very similar to our pickup trucks, a lot of the same components, but that's because they're just so dang good. So we got our 3D printed kick panels, Morel 3-way speakers that just sound phenomenal. The Blazers here have 2 subs in the rear just because we got all that extra space. Our 3D printed center to legends section and horn button on this Lucara leather wrapped steering wheel, which just feels phenomenal while you're driving the truck.
the stock steering wheel is so iconic in these trucks, but it's massive, and the 40, 50-year-old soft touch material that they use on them is just absolutely terrible. I've got one in my original truck. Every time you get done driving it, or even 5 minutes after driving it, a little heat in your hands, and you're just sitting there just trying to get all the gummy, sticky crap off your hands. There hasn't been anything available in the aftermarket that has the look of the factory steering wheel, so a lot of times guys will resort to just, you know, your run-of-the-mill 3-spoke, 2-spoke wheel, which works great, but in our opinion really lack the look that we were going after in this truck. So came up with the idea to do a clamshell design 3D printed piece that is a scaled down version of the original wheel. Square center horn button, machined our own Legend Series logo to go in the center in place of the Chevrolet logo, and then use a leather wrapped wheel on the outside for great hand feel. Smaller diameter, fits the steering ratio on these trucks, and just absolutely great piece.
All standard Legend truck stuff on the dash, so it uses our KMC5 kicker head unit that's built into our cool little billet adapter. Vintage Air AC controls. These Vintage Air kits have now upgraded to the Gen 5. Vintage Air stepped their game up, came to market with a better box, better fan, overall better quality, better cooling capacity. So welcome upgrade to these.
Gauges on this truck are a custom gauge cluster that we work with Dakota Digital on. Again, we use Dakota Digital on every single build that we do. Phenomenal functionality, great looks. They've got a couple different options for kind of more modern, high-tech looking cars. They do a ton of custom one-off gauges for us. And then these really have that kind of vintage look. Their new RTX Retro Series, absolutely awesome in all of the stock style muscle cars and trucks that we're building these days. Center consoles on these trucks were always lacking. The factory center consoles, again, very iconic. There's been nothing great in the aftermarket to use as a replacement, but that $75 plastic one that is too small, it's actually the same height or slightly lower than the base of the seat, doesn't give you good armrest height. The cup holders are absolutely horrible. I don't know that there's a cup that's ever been made that stays in those past 1 to 2 turns. Being a Blazer, having the 2 bucket seats, and being something you're going to drive every day, we really wanted to make a center console that was usable, and then we can turn that into something we can use in a lot of other trucks. So all the Blazers that we have done have received this console right here that we've designed and made in-house. 3D
printed entire center console. It has some neat little retainers that are spring-loaded in those cup holders, so whatever you're putting in there isn't going to rock around and fall out. But the thing I find that's the most important is generally a place to throw your junk. Throwing your keys, throwing your phone. Where can you put things that's you know, you're not want to necessarily open this up and stash stuff. So toss it right there in the center. Right in the front, we've got dual USB ports. Put your window switches here. Gives you a nice little footprint to kind of option it out with any maybe electrical accessories that you might want.
In this case, we put our back glass switch in here for the power tailgate glass, a couple USBs, and then just a general storage tray.
And just a great place to rest your arm for comfortable driving, especially on those long trips. So, well, I love a bench seat. These buckets in here really just do the trick and make this a much more comfortable vehicle while you're driving it, along with our center consoles. Definitely made a difference in the feel of this thing while you're making eating up some highway miles. And then just this killer distressed leather for the door panels and the seats. along with the Western tool pattern insert in the middle, just makes this a really cool package. It's just got a very tough pickup truck looking interior. There's nothing soft about this thing, but it feels fantastic while you're sitting in it. So
the blue and plaid interior was done in-house by our man Steve. Killer attention to detail. Spent a lot of time lining up the plaid, which you don't see on a lot of trucks. A lot of guys do plaid. I've seen a lot of it done poorly, but if you look at the way the headliner lines up with the sun visors, the way the door panels line up with the dash, lines up with the seat, just some killer detail work, laying everything out, making sure it all flows together. Kind of one of the things that helps take the truck to the next level. Seats in this truck are a 90s OBS Chevy truck seat that we stripped, refoamed, recovered. Dave wanted a higher back bucket in here, and I think they look great. Again, also kind of fit the original look of the truck and theme of the truck. Super comfortable, great seat for a daily driver putting a lot of miles on.
Carpet is a square weave in it. Everything's done in kind of a dark blue to match the exterior. Got some cool plaid inserts in the seats that carries through to the rear. Updated the mat pockets just so they're not those stretched out kind of original nasty looking things. Headliner's a vintage styled vinyl that's perforated with a nice little texture in it.
So when Corey brought this truck to us, it had a soft top originally, and he actually had the idea to replace the soft top, source out one of the factory hard tops, and cut a giant hole in the middle, which we were a little nervous to do, and call up Legacy and get one of their retractable sunroofs, which we hadn't worked with before. I was a little leery about it. I was a little like thinking maybe it wasn't going to work out, but it's actually super cool unit, easy to install. But if you got a nice day like today and you want to crack that thing open, and you've basically got the whole roof is open at that point with how large those things. They come in numerous options to fit your build, but we chose this one specifically for the Blazer. So when you've opened that thing up, that whole back seat is nothing but sun and sky. So kind of a cool feature, especially if you've got some young kids. I know my kids think it's super cool. The fact that they're as beloved as they are, these Chevy pickups of this era, you know, it's such a popular package, but how often do you see somebody that's driving one on the regular, just as a daily driver? Everything that you could possibly want this truck to do, it does, and it does it well.
I don't believe that you'll ever look at this and have a hesitation with, well, guess what? I'm driving 250 miles today. I'm taking the kids on a little weekend getaway. My wife's SUV is in the shop getting repaired. She needs transportation. It's fun for the whole family. The wife, the kids, everybody. I trust that when Dave gets this, he's got a son who's a super awesome car enthusiast. I think his wife even tolerates all of his car builds, and obviously must be a great woman to put up with that. So I think you'll see him getting the ultimate use out of this. He's the perfect customer that selected the perfect car. If you want something that's not just a fair weather cruiser, the Legend truck. It's where it's at.
It's turn the key and go, drive it like a new vehicle, use it, pile the miles on it. It's an absolute incredible platform, and I think the best product that we've come out with in our 20 years of business.